How to change Airbnb password. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the solution guy, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can change your Airbnb's account password. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to change the password, or maybe you want to reset the password of your Airbnb account, it's very simple. So first go ahead and open the Airbnb app. I'm already logged into my account, and I'll come to the profile tab by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right corner, and here you'll find account settings, and you have to look for the option called login and security. So just go ahead and then select it. Once you go to login and security over here, you'll be able to see different types of options and agree to the privacy policy. At the very top you can see password option, and if you want to change it, you just have to tap on the update button right next to the password box, and you have your current password and then you have a new password. So if you do remember your current password, you can just tap on your current password and enter them over here, and then right on the next specific two boxes you have to enter the new passwords that you want to use and then confirm it, and then just choose the option called update password. But if you do not remember your current password, then you can select need a new password or forgot password button over here. It will send a link to your email, and just go ahead and enter your email and send a reset link. Once you receive the link on your email, you can go ahead and then open that up in order to update your new password. That's all it takes to change your Airbnb password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.